So in all, the program will be like this: initialization of the stack pointer at highest memory location possible, then MVIA comma 00H clearing the contents of accumulator and displaying it on port 0 where we have connected 8 LEDs. Now all these 8 LEDs will remain off, and we want certain amount of delay so that LEDs will remain off for that particular time delay. That particular delay is generated with the help of delay subroutine, which is written separately from main program over here. Okay, so we are calling that delay with the help of this instruction call delay, so that program control can be diverted from this main program to this delay subroutine. But before diverting from this main program to this delay subroutine, before diverting from this diverting from this main program to this delay subroutine, address of the next instruction to call is to be stored onto stack. Stack pointer gets decremented by 2. Low order address and high order address gets stored onto that stack. Then program control will have address of the delay subroutine. Program control will be driven to this delay subroutine. Yeah, this delay subroutine. This particular delay subroutine, these two instructions forms the loop DCRC and JNZ loop. The count is 0H. This instruction will be repeated 10 times. T states, let's see if T state of DCRC is 4, and if jump if not 0 to loop is taking 10 T states, and when it will come out of the loop it takes 7 T states. So for calculation we are considering 4 plus 10, 14 T states over here, multiplied by count, that is 10 multiplied by 0.5 microsecond if the clock frequency of 8085 microseconds is 2 megahertz. So total delay generated by this delay subroutine is 70 microsecond. At the end of the 10th iteration, this program will come out of the loop. Last instruction to subroutine return will be executed. The contents of program counter which are stored onto the stack, that is high order address and low order address, next instruction to call, this instruction will be given back to program counter, and again program control will come in main program. So what is next instruction after call delay is MVI A comma FFH. All ones will be driven to this port out 00H, will be given to this port address out 00H where we have connected 8 LEDs. So all the 8 LEDs will turn on. Now we have to keep this LEDs on for again same amount of delay for which all the LEDs were off. So we are calling again delay over here with the help of instruction call delay, so that program control can be diverted from main program to delay subroutine. But before that, address of the next instruction to call, that is jump, will be stored onto stack. That is stack again will be decremented by 2, and low order address and high order address will be stored onto stack. Again over here delay of 70 microseconds will be generated by this program. At the end of the 10th iteration, this return instruction will be executed. Program control will be diverted to main program. Program counter will retrieve back the address of the next instruction to call from stack, and program control will be driven to main program. So last instruction is what? Jump instruction. Jump to what? Again MVIA comma 00H. Program will be repeated 00. Again delay, LEDs will remain off for 70 microseconds. LEDs will remain on for 70 microsecond. Delay subroutine is separately written from main program, called in main program with the help of this call instruction. We are returning back from delay subroutine to main program with the help of this return instruction, and this will be repeated. This program will be repeated, and in this way this delay subroutines are implemented with the help of this call and return instructions, which are similar to push and pop instruction. In push, again stack pointer gets decremented by 2. In call also stack pointer gets decremented by 2. In pop, stack pointer gets incremented by 2 and contents are retrieved back in register pair. In the return also that stack pointer is incremented by 2 and address of the next instruction to call is retrieved back onto program counter.